So, you're trying to decide between ClickUp and Microsoft Planner. And on paper, they both look like solid project tools. The tricky part is that one is trying to be your whole work hub, and the other is trying to fit perfectly into the Microsoft world. By the end of this video, you'll know which one is right for you. ClickUp is an all in one work management platform built for teams that want tasks, docs, chat, dashboards, whiteboards, and automation in one place, especially across cross functional work. Microsoft Planner is a Microsoft native planning tool that works best for simple task and project management inside Microsoft 365, especially for teams already living in Teams and Outlook. First, customization and overall scope. ClickUp gives you way more room to shape workflows, views, fields, docs, and dashboards around how your team already works. Microsoft Planner is cleaner and easier to learn, but it is far less flexible unless you climb into higher Microsoft tiers and broader Power Platform setup. Winner is ClickUp because it can replace more tools and adapt to more team styles. Second, ecosystem and day to day collaboration. If your company lives in Teams, Outlook, SharePoint, and Microsoft Identity, Microsoft Planner feels native right away, and that matters a lot for rollout, permissions, and user adoption. ClickUp integrates with a huge range of tools too. A planner has the smoother experience for Microsoft First Teams. Winner is Microsoft Planner because ecosystem fit beats raw feature count when your whole company already runs on Microsoft. Third, reporting and project depth. ClickUp gives you strong dashboards, multiple views, automations, and the deeper sense that you're in a real work operating system, not just a task board. Microsoft Planner has boards, schedules, charts, timeline in plans, plus backlogs and sprints in Plan 1. But some advanced reporting and portfolio style features push you into much pricier tiers. Winner is ClickUp because you get more project management depth without needing to jump as quickly to enterprise style pricing. Now, pricing, ClickUp does have a real free plan called Free Forever, which is great for personal use and testing. ClickUp also has paid plans starting with unlimited, but the official materials I reviewed did not clearly confirm the current public base price, so check before you buy. ClickUp also sells AI separately, with Brain starting at $9 per user per month. But that is not the base workspace. Microsoft Planner does not really have a standalone free public plan in the same way. But Basic Planner is included with qualifying Microsoft 365 plans. Paid Microsoft Planner starts at $10 per user per month for Plan 1, then jumps to $30 for Plan 3 and $55 for Plan 5. Some advanced planner features only show up in those higher tiers, so that jump matters. S value, ClickUp Unlimited for small teams if the current price fits your budget. Or Microsoft Planner included with Microsoft 365 if you already pay for that stack. Links in the description for current pricing. So who should pick what? If you want one flexible workspace for marketing, product, ops, or agency work, pick ClickUp. If your team already works inside Teams and Outlook every day and you want the easiest adoption path, pick Microsoft Planner. If you need deep customization and you hate juggling 5 different tools, pick ClickUp. If you want simple planning without training the whole company on a bigger platform, pick Microsoft Planner. My pick for most teams is ClickUp because it is broader, more customizable, and gives you more room to grow. But for Microsoft first companies, Microsoft Planner is the smarter and simpler choice, especially if governance and native integration matter more than flexibility. Links in the description below. Like and subscribe if this helped.